Video today we are going to learn how to delete a YouTube search history or YouTube watch history, you can say. So I'm going to show in this video how you can find out your all YouTube activities and how you can delete it. So guys, I'm going to show you on my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone you can follow the same step. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here I am on my Android phone. So let me open first YouTube application. So open your YouTube application and let it open first. Okay, so now you have to, okay, you have to go on your profile photo. Click on your profile photo here. So you click on it, and here you have to go in settings. In settings there is a option you have to find out, which is history and privacy. Click on it. So here you can see clear search history and clear watch history. Okay, if you click on it, you will see all your watch history from all device. Okay, watch history from all device. So on pop-up you will see that YouTube watch history will clear from all YouTube apps on all device. Your video recommendation will be reset but may still be info activities. It say that your YouTube history for this device and all device will be deleted with this email ID. Okay, so just click on clear watch history, it will be clear. Okay, so there is another option you can see here, which is search history. Okay, whatever you search on YouTube, it will be show here and you can clear from all device. Okay, so same you have to clear out. Now I'm going to show you the manage your activities. Okay, review. This is activities which I know available on your account. So if you click on it, it will be bring you the page Google on Google activities. Okay, so in Google in Google account also there is a save your activity, so it will be bring you the same with the same email ID. Okay, so my internet is slow, I think. Okay, it's opening. So you can see this is Google account and we are going to on activities. So let it open for, okay, you can see this is YouTube history with the same email ID. So now you have to find here all your watch history. Okay, so this is your all watch history. Okay, so how you can delete it, click on this three line option and go to the delete activities by, and here you can choose large days all time. If you want to delete all time activities, you can delete from by clicking on it. You can custom range. Okay, so if you want to set automatic deletion, you can set it. Now click on delete all and you can see confirm. Would like to delete following activities, so you have to confirm it. Here is the option you can see in bottom, delete. So your all activities will be deleted. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.